Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Tired of the 9-5 grind? I feel ya. The daily commute, the endless meetings, and the lack of flexibility can really take a toll. Let me share 7 side hustles that could replace your full-time job and give you the freedom you've been dreaming of. Imagine working on your own terms and doing something you love. Ready? Let's dive in. This could be the start of something amazing. Number 1, freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, this one's a no-brainer. Freelance writing offers a world of opportunities. Companies are always looking for writers to create content, blog posts, and more. The demand is huge and ever-growing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to get started. You can build a portfolio and attract clients from all over the world. Plus, you can work in your pajamas. Win-win! Imagine the comfort and convenience. Next up, graphic design. Got an eye for design? This could be your calling. Businesses need logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Your creativity can help them stand out. Sites like 99 Designs can connect you with clients. You can showcase your skills and land projects that excite you. It's all about turning creativity into cash. Number 3, online tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject, why not teach it? Share your knowledge and help others succeed. Platforms like VIPKid let you tutor students around the globe. You can teach from the comfort of your home. Flexible hours, good pay, and the chance to make a difference. It's a rewarding way to earn a living. What's not to love about that? 4th, Airbnb hosting. Got a spare room or a vacation home? Turn it into a money-making opportunity. List it on Airbnb and start earning. It's a great way to utilize unused space. With a bit of hospitality, you can make a tidy profit. Plus, you get to meet interesting people. You get to meet people from all over the world. It's a cultural exchange right at your doorstep. Or, just hide and collect the money. Number 5, selling handmade crafts. Are you crafty? Turn your passion into profit. Websites like Etsy let you sell your handmade goods to a global audience. Your unique creations can find a home anywhere in the world. Whether it's jewelry, art, or customized mugs, there's a market for it. People love unique handmade items. Turn your hobby into a hustle. 6th, social media management. Spend a lot of time on Instagram or Twitter? Why not get paid for it? You can get paid for it. Your social media skills are valuable. Businesses need help managing their social media presence. They're looking for people who can engage their audience. And you're already a pro, right? Use your expertise to help businesses grow. Turn those likes into dollars. Finally, number 7, dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell products online without having to keep inventory. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. Sites like Shopify make it easy to start your own online store. You can customize your store and choose products to sell. It's like running a business, but without the headache. You focus on marketing and sales, while suppliers handle the rest. Cha-ching! The potential for profit is huge. So there you have it. 7 side hustles that could replace your full-time job. Each one offers unique opportunities and the chance to do something you love. Whether you're looking for extra cash or a total career change, there's something for everyone. The possibilities are endless. Ditch the 9-5 and start living life on your own terms. Embrace the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. You've got this. Believe in yourself and take the leap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money. See you next time. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.